all, I wish you people are doing well and staying safe outside. So this is Ananya. I welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my first ever YouTube video. Oh my god, I am so nervous and excited as well. So as you know from the title that today's first video is all about a mini affordable accessories haul, and for someone who likes earrings, rings and anklets, then continue watching. So we girls have a different kind of obsession over earrings, rings and anklets. So all we can do is we just go through all the online shopping apps, and we got some amazing collections of earrings, rings and all. But there are some few online shopping apps which provides us affordable earrings, along with that the best quality. First earrings which I got from everstylist.com is this eclipsed oxidized boho earrings, and the earrings looks like this. Yes, this is a complete eclipse shape. Along with that, it has the best quality as well, and I got it for rupees only 138. Yes guys, this is true. I got these earrings for just rupees 148. Can you believe this? Because everstylist.com में always there are some offers, and उनका इयरिंग्स कलेक्शन बहुत यूनिक होते हैं. एंड बोहो की अगर आप एक बोहो इयरिंग्स लवर हो या फिर बोहो रिंग्स लवर हो, तो आपको डेफिनेटली वहाँ पे बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स देखने को मिलेंगे. एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई ऑर्डर दिस प्रिटी बोहो इयरिंग्स फ्रॉम everstylist.com. Suit on your every traditional outfit, and I just loved it. Okay, let's move to the second earrings which I got from everstylist.com is this flowery circle oxidized boho earrings, and the earrings looks like this. This one is too pretty guys. Like every outfit, whatever the outfit you have wear, every outfit will go through this earrings, because आप कुछ भी पहने हो, like traditional, floral tops, whatever, this will going to suit you. Trust me. Yes, I got it for rupees only 90. Can you believe? I just got the earrings for only 90 rupees, which is again a best part. Also the quality is amazing guys. I am wearing it and I don't feel like I am wearing a earrings. This is not at all heavy, because कुछ लड़कियों होते हैं जिन्हें heavy earrings पसंद नहीं है, like me. मुझे भी heavy earrings इतना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. It's going to suit on your every traditional wear, or if you are wearing something crop tops and all. Also this one is going to help you. And light weight भी है, आपको ज़्यादा heavy नहीं लगता है, तो आप ऑल डे इजिली कैरी कर सकते हो ये इयरिंग्स को. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द थर्ड प्रोडक्ट व्हिच आई गॉट फ्रॉम everstylist.com is this pretty ring. Yes, this is not a earring. This is a geometric mesh oxidized boho ring. As you can see, the rings look so pretty, and it will shoot on your traditional outfits like lehengas and kurtis and all. So as you can see, this looks so pretty on my hand, and I just loved it guys. This looks so classy. And I got it for rupees only 98. Yes, I just got the bongs for only 98 rupees. Can you believe guys? This is just the best purchase I have ever received from any online shopping app, because I am a ring lover आई जस्ट लव्ड रिंग्स एंड ये नॉर्मल कुर्ती में ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, बट आप अगर उसको कुछ फैंसी टाइप साड़ीज लाइक ब्लैक साड़ीज और समथिंग संबलपुरी आउटफिट्स एंड ऑल, दिस इज गोइंग टू लुक अमेजिंग गाइज, अमेजिंग. Can you see the texture, guys? So the fourth product which is in my hand is these pretty earrings. This is a peacock intricate oxidized boho earrings. The earrings looks like this. As you can see, the peacock shape is here. That's why it is a intricate peacock oxidized boho earrings. Not only the names, the earrings also look so pretty. I just loved it. So cute and small as well, so you can wear it in your daily basis or in your normal kurtis and all. And I just love these earrings. Wow, this looks so classy, and as I wear a black kurti it goes so good. And yes, I got it for rupees 98 only, which is again a best part. So the next accessories that I have is this pretty square oxidized boho earring. As you can see, oh my god, how pretty this looks like. This is a square oxidized boho earring. I just love the Ever Stylish boho earrings collection. Like, they have some amazing collections of earrings like these. And one more thing guys, you can't believe the price of these earrings, because this is just only for 59. Can you just imagine, this pretty square boho earrings is just for 59. अमेजिंग ना. हम लड़कियों को और क्या चाहिए, एक अच्छा सा इयरिंग हो, क्वालिटी अच्छा हो, बोहो का हो एंड 59 रुपीज में आ जाता हो. लाइक वाओ ना. Guys, how beautiful this earrings looks on my face along with my black outfit. Wow, I just obsessed over these earrings. Like, this one is also lightweight. You can use it for your daily basis. Yes, you can use it in your normal kurtis and any crop tops like which will suit on these earrings. Then it will going to look amazing. Okay, now let's talk about the second last product which I got from everstylish.com is this pretty anklet. Can you see guys? Just a heart shaped anklet, and I am going to use this anklet as my bracelet because मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, so I am going to use this as my bracelet. Wow, this looks so pretty. And I got this Heart of Desire beautiful anklet is just only for rupees 92. Yes, we start the video from earrings. We will going to end this video by earrings. Yes. So the last earrings which I got from everstylish.com is this pretty teeny trinket earrings, which is a little floral teeny trinket earrings. Yes guys, this looks so amazing. As you can see. Guys, this looks so pretty and I got this for rupees 98. Hope this video will helpful for you and you will get some amazing collections of boho earrings, rings and anklets from everstylish.com. And अगर आपने देखा होगा तो मैंने मेरा जो मोस्ट ऑफ द इयरिंग्स था वो छोटा छोटा था, बिकॉज मुझे बड़े बड़े इयरिंग्स बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है. मुझे हेवी इयरिंग्स लगाने पर मेरे ईयर्स में बहुत ज़्यादा पेन होते हैं एंड मैं उसको कैरी नहीं कर सकती. जब भी मैं कुछ भी इयरिंग्स खरीदती हूँ तो ऑलमोस्ट मैं छोटे छोटे इयरिंग्स लाइक दिस, I just love this kind of earrings. But if you are someone who loves heavy earrings and who loves big earrings, then you can also go and check everstylish.com. You will find some beautiful collections of earrings. बहुत कम ही ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग ऐप होते हैं जो आपको अच्छी प्रोडक्ट के साथ साथ अफोर्डेबल रेंज में भी प्रोडक्ट्स देते हैं। लाइक हम गर्ल्स को अगर कुछ चीज चाहिए होते हैं तो हम लोग बहुत सारे ऐप में सर्च करते हैं, जहां पे हमको सुटेबल लगता है कि हाँ हमें वहां से लेना चाहिए तो हम लेते हैं। सो द मोटिव ऑफ मेकिंग दिस वीडियो इज, मुझे लगा कि नहीं ये अफोर्डेबल रेंज में भी आता है एंड बहुत अच्छे कलेक्शंस भी होते हैं इनमें, एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट प्राइस भी बहुत अच्छे होते हैं। Whenever or whatever we are shopping from online, we just expect a good quality product. Whatever we order, we just want to receive the same. राइट सो मुझे लगा कि मैंने जैसा ही ऑर्डर किया था मैंने उससे उस हिसाब से मैं 100% सेटिस्फाइड हूँ एंड इसका क्वालिटी बहुत ही अच्छा है। डेली वेयर के लिए आप देख सकते हो मेरा मोस्ट ऑफ द इयरिंग्स बहुत छोटा छोटा था। ये ऐसा कुछ डिसअपॉइंटनेस नजर नहीं आया, इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि नहीं, लेट्स मेक अ वीडियो ऑन माई रिसेंट परचेज फ्रॉम evastylish.com एंड लेट अदर पीपल नो अबाउट द साइट। इफ एनी ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग ऐप is helpful for you, then you have to share that, because बहुत कुछ लड़कियां हैं उन्हें पता नहीं है कि किस साइट से और किस ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग ऐप से खरीदने से प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छे आते हैं एंड ऑल। सो मैंने सोचा कि नहीं, मुझे एक वीडियो बनाना चाहिए एंड दिखाना चाहिए कि मैंने क्या क्या लिया है evastylish.com में एंड उनका क्वालिटी एंड प्राइस कितना अच्छा होता है। आई पर्सनली फील दैट दिस साइट इज सो गुड एंड safe also. You can blindly trust the evastylish.com app. Yes guys, if you like the video then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, let me know in the comment section that what you want to see next, and also share this video with your friends and Instagram and WhatsApp and everywhere you want. Follow me on Instagram to know me more, because I am more active on Instagram and I love Instagram. So I just hope this video will helpful for you. Just keep supporting me, keep loving me. I love you all and just stay safe guys. Bye.
Get up.